Today I'm going to show you how I make vegan butter. Really, I wanted to make rhubarb crisp because someone dropped fresh rhubarb off at my house, so I'm making some vegan butter. First we need some coconut oil, then we're going to add palm fruit shortening. This is red palm fruit oil. It's the good palm, where some people like to avoid the palm kernel oil that isn't as good for you. Then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of a neutral oil. Here I'm using avocado just because that's what I have on hand, but feel free to use whatever you've got. And if you use something with a stronger flavor like olive oil, the flavor is going to come through in your butter. And then 2 tablespoons of an unflavored nut milk. I've done this with almond milk before, but I'm using walnut milk this time because that's what I have open. Then some sea salt, and we're just going to throw it in a stand mixer or use a hand mixer and just whip it till it's nice and fluffy. I started with the paddle attachment just out of habit, but you can totally just start with the whisk attachment and then whip it till it's nice and smooth and fluffy, just like this. This vegan butter is really great because it mimics the composition of butter a little better than just substituting straight coconut oil or palm shortening when you're trying to veganize something, because it has the different saturated fats and unsaturated fats, and then it also has the moisture content, which is going to create some steam in the oven and create some aeration and lift that you really want in certain baked goods, especially like puff pastry. So then we're going to transfer it to a jar or whatever you want to store it in, or you can pour it in an ice cube tray like this so you have little portions saved in the fridge or freezer so it's easy to grab when you want it. Then I scooped out 4 tablespoons, which is about a 1/4 cup, so I could press it flat in parchment and throw it in the freezer. This was to make our no oat, no starch rhubarb crumble, and if you want to make that too, you can watch this video next.